Welcome to Lesson 6.2, Part 1, Procurement Execution, PR to PO Process Flow, from SAP S/4HANA Cloud, Supply Chain, CS4CSC by KRTI. In this lesson, we'll connect planning with procurement, learning how purchase requisitions and purchase orders ensure the smooth flow of materials from requirement to supplier delivery. Procurement execution is the operational heart of the supply chain. Here, we'll explore how purchase requisitions, whether created manually or by MRP, transform into purchase orders. You'll also see how approval workflows and supplier integration make the process transparent, traceable, and efficient in S/4HANA Cloud. By completing this lesson, you'll be able to create, manage, and process purchase requisitions and purchase orders in Fiori. You'll understand supplier assignment, PO structure, and approval workflow logic. We'll also touch on configuration touchpoints in CBC and SPRO, ensuring you grasp both the functional and system setup perspectives. Role of procurement in supply chain. Procurement plays a critical role in synchronizing materials, services, and cost control. It bridges MRP-generated requirements with supplier fulfillment. In S/4HANA Cloud, this role becomes even more dynamic, thanks to automation, digital approvals, and real-time integration with finance, inventory, and supplier management modules. Business Flow Overview, PR/PO. Let's visualize the complete procurement flow. A requirement is identified, either by MRP or manually. A purchase requisition is created and assigned to a supplier. Next, the buyer converts it into a purchase order. After internal approval, the PO is transmitted to the supplier. This standardized flow ensures accountability, compliance, and speed in procurement cycles. Purchase Requisition PR Overview. A purchase requisition is an internal document requesting the purchase of materials or services. It defines what to buy, when to buy, and in what quantity. PRs can originate automatically through MRP or be entered manually by departments. They act as controlled requests awaiting sourcing and conversion. Key Fiori app. Manage Purchase Requisitions F16043. Creating a purchase requisition in Fiori. Let's create a PR manually. In Fiori, open Manage Purchase Requisitions F16043 and click Create. Enter material RM-2001, quantity 500, plant 10 and delivery date 1 week ahead. Add a purchasing group and cost center if applicable. Save. The system generates a unique PR number and records your request instantly. Automatic PR generation from MRP. When MRP Live identifies a shortage for externally procured items, it automatically generates a PR. The PR inherits details such as quantity, delivery date, and MRP controller. The planner or buyer simply reviews it in Fiori before creating the PO. This automation drastically reduces manual intervention and planning delays. Source determination and supplier assignment. In S/4HANA Cloud, source determination is intelligent. The system checks source lists, purchase info records, and existing contracts. If multiple valid sources exist, it selects the one with the best price and validity period. Alternatively, buyers can manually assign a preferred supplier for specific requirements. This flexibility supports both centralized and decentralized procurement models. Conversion of PR to PO. Once a source of supply is available, the buyer converts the PR into a purchase order. Using Manage Purchase Orders F0842A, select the PR and click Create PO. The system automatically populates vendor, pricing, and delivery information. Review details carefully, make adjustments if necessary, and save to generate the PO number. This PO now becomes a legally binding commitment. PO header and item structure. A purchase order consists of a header and one or more items. The header captures global data, vendor, payment terms, and currency. Items hold material-specific details like quantity, delivery date, and price. This structure ensures flexibility. A single PO can handle multiple materials, delivery dates, and plants within one document. Purchase order approval workflow. Once created, the PO may require approval. S/4HANA Cloud automates this using the Manage Workflows for Purchase Orders FF1473 app. Approvers receive notifications in their Fiori inbox or via email. Once approved, the status changes to Released, enabling transmission to the supplier. This ensures every purchase complies with corporate policies. PO release and output. After release, the PO is sent to the supplier. Transmission options include PDF via email, direct EDI interface, or through SAP Business Network, Ariba. Each transmission creates a communication log. Once dispatched, the status updates to output sent. This provides complete visibility and auditability across all purchase transactions. Monitoring open PRs and POs. Monitoring ensures transparency and proactive management. Use Monitor Purchase Requisition items F22229 to track pending PRs and Monitor Purchase Order items 22228 to review PO status. KPIs such as PRs without source or POs awaiting approval highlight process bottlenecks. These dashboards empower procurement teams to prioritize and act efficiently. Configuration drives procurement automation. In CBC or SPRO, you define PO and PR document types, number ranges, and release strategies. You also configure account determination in OBEC and set up output management. Once activated, these ensure consistency, compliance, and traceability in every procurement transaction. Integration with other modules. Procurement in S/4HANA Cloud is tightly integrated. Goods receipt updates stock in inventory management. Invoice verification posts to finance, creating GRIR accounting entries. Supplier management ensures vendor quality and compliance tracking. Analytics provides spend visibility through embedded dashboards. Each integration ensures business continuity and accountability. Let's take an example. During an MRP run, a PR is automatically created for 500 units of RM 2001. The buyer reviews it and converts it into a PO for vendor 2011. The PO is approved and transmitted electronically. The vendor delivers material in 7 days, completing the procurement cycle. This end-to-end automation reflects a real S/4HANA cloud operation. For certification, expect questions testing your understanding of automatic versus manual PR creation, source determination hierarchy, workflow approval configuration, and PO structure and integration with finance and inventory. Scenario-based questions often test document flow comprehension. Make sure you can trace PR, PO, GR, IR logically. You've now learned the complete flow from purchase requisition to purchase order, including system navigation, approval, and configuration. In the next lesson, Part 2, Goods Receipt and Invoice Integration, we'll complete the procurement cycle by posting receipts, recording invoices, and linking logistics with accounting. KRTI Edu, learn, practice, certify, succeed.